Let's talk to Connor Campbell. He's a financial analyst for Spreadex. Morning to you, young Connor. Okay, let's talk about the Dow Jones. We've got a daily candlestick chart. And what are the key events this week?
Yeah, again, very busy week for the US. You've got the State of Union address on Tuesday. If Trump sounds in any way presidential, then the Dow might get a boost off that. Any kind of actual policy information in that speech, I imagine it'll be pretty light on stuff like that because that's sort of Trump's style. But if there is anything positive for the Dow, any further comments on those massive infrastructure spending plans that sort of haven't really gone anywhere, that'd be great for the Dow. You've got the Fed meeting on Wednesday. I think that's something of a concern for the Dow at the moment. It's pulled back a bit. It's pulled back below 26,500, or at least the futures are suggesting it will at some point today. If the Fed does hint maybe that it's looking for a few rate rises this year, continue the same pace as it did last year, then perhaps the Dow Jones pulls back. You've also got the dollar rebounding this week. Obviously, if that continues throughout the week, then the Dow Jones, it hasn't been the main reason for the Dow Jones rising, but it has certainly helped the Dow Jones that the dollar's been so dogged in the last few weeks.
And client-wise, how are they positioning themselves?
They're still pretty supportive of the Dow Jones. Like there's still, I imagine we've probably seen plenty of clients learn over the last couple of months or the last year that every time it looks like the Dow might be slowing down, it still finds from somewhere another litres worth of fuel to keep going. Yeah. So I think our clients are now erring on the positive side of the Dow Jones because that is, if you look at the last year, maybe the more sensible option. However, I will say it's an incredibly sort of chaotic week for the Dow Jones in terms of some really key economic events. So I don't think, even if it does recover, it's not going to be an easy week for the Dow Jones. So there might be little pockets to trade each day, but in terms of where it ends at the end of the week, that's a bit harder to call.
Understood. Connor, thank you very much.